Weaving my wheel, gate 59. Dispersion, the gate of sexuality. The ability to break down barriers to achieve union. I am designed to connect with other people. I am here to move beyond perceived barriers separating us, softening walls between myself and other people, creating new relationships in my intimacy. In the past, I hesitated, fearing closeness and intimacy, and now I move forward and welcome my intimacy. Some people see intimacy as conquest. I experience my truth in bonding, in my alchemy of two becoming greater than oneself. My intimacy may be physical, merging my energy, intertwining my presence in deep, core-level recognition of another being. I remove barriers and I see clearly. My truth emerges as I allow myself to fully see and be fully seen. My connections are powerful, and my power demands my responsibility. If I connect with another and lack awareness, how can I stand in my power? When I join with another in recognition of our truth, I build strength and stability. One moment, caller. Line 1, the preemptive strike. Before I build my walls, I move. I let go of resistance before I begin. My connections flow naturally. My energy moves freely. I trust my response and recognize when it is correct to form bonds and align. I am mindful. My walls are perfectly placed. My boundaries protect me and my separations serve me. I initiate true connection in alignment. Line 2, shyness. I move in awareness. I wait, I observe, and I allow my energy to emerge naturally. Some people may assume my hesitation is my barrier to my forward progress. In truth, my hesitation is my discernment, my quiet invitation to others to meet me where I am. I project deep magnetism. I allow my connection to emerge naturally, ensuring I build true and grounded mutual alignment. Line 3. Openness. I am here and available to receive. I stand as I am, creating space where my connections feel safe and natural. My receptivity is clear and conscious. I know my truth. My strength remains steady. I let go of what no longer serves my purpose, and my wisdom alerts me to what is mine. I face tests and I make discoveries. I learn who is truly willing to meet me, who may hold my true connection and remain in my presence. My refined bonds nourish me deeply. Line 4, brotherhood, sisterhood. My intimacy reaches beyond lovers. My intimacy lives in my trust in me, and extends to my tribe and my nourishing, sustaining connections. I create closeness in shared experiences through bonds strengthened over time. Friendship is my foundation, my doorway where my true connection begins. I let go of my urge to rush into intimacy. When my trust is strong, my intimacy is resolute. Line 5, the femme fatale, the Casanova. I am alluring, and other people may feel my magnetism before understanding my attraction. My presence is magnetic. My silent invitations require no explanation. I recognize my projection is powerful. I may be seen through eyes of apprehension or desire, vilified or idealized. I embody my power in wisdom. My true seduction lives in recognition. I see my potential in my connections, and I allow intimacy to emerge in integrity. Line 6, the one night stand. Some of my connections are fleeting and still significant. I have experienced intimacy built on hollow words. My wisdom lives in letting go when I sense my perfect timing. I see beyond my permanence. I recognize my intimacy exists fully in moments as much as in lifetimes. I know my truth. Why chase temporary when I desire longevity? I embrace each experience, knowing all my connections have value. I penetrate barriers. I unify separation. In creating unity, I connect purposely. I connect in my alignment. I follow my energy, trusting when to engage and when to remain still. In my connections, I discover more of myself. My understanding expands. I choose intimacy in awareness, in clarity. In my knowing, I build true connections on firm ground, cultivated in my presence, rooted in my truth. I emerge from saying yes, where my commitment is challenged, where my persistence shapes my journey. Now I step into intimacy where I form bonds and my fear of closeness resolves into my trust. Ahead, I meet aloneness. My true connection becomes possible only as I understand my balance between togetherness and retreat, intimacy and solitude. My question remains: can I choose my connections in my full awareness, knowing I find recognition in my intimacy, and my recognition awakens in my intimacy? My answer awaits as my journey continues. Thank you for travelling with me. I'll see you next time. And until then, as always, loving yourself wildly and completely. Go gently.